What are you doing, Adrian?
Working on cars and stuff.
Do what?
Cars and stuff.
Cars and stuff. Is this TV? Found a set of AirPods. Don't break anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta keep dreaming, gotta keep going. Yeah, I gotta keep pushing, gotta keep breathing. Yeah, I gotta keep working. Yeah, at least for the moment, it's out with a million. And I want my mansion, so my family knows that we are set for life. Yeah, ain't nothing that's gonna take over. Shit, know when they gonna take it, but I grab it. I'm a habit, I've been cut to my habit. So I gotta do it, man, I tell them to math this. Cause I've been really putting, man, I want my status. Damn, they gonna see that I do this, they gonna see that I did this though. Now they say, oh shit, I can't do the same when you kidding, bro. Cause I spend my time just working, but I spend my time just grinding. And I spend my time in the studio with these lyrics, just combining, just fortune all these diamonds. Cause I made it from far, and nobody believed it, but I showed them what I was. It's sure. Cause I am a monster and back on my run, yeah. I'm about to show them what I have been on, yeah. Cause I'm about to do it when they see that I'm around, yeah. Cause we pull up with action, yeah, we make them all believe. Told me I was a kid that never will complete it, never do just all these things. But they don't even know me, they don't know what I can bring. It's thunder out the sky, I'm electric with these things. Like I'm so electric, I'm about to do it, I put in the work and I said, I get this.
Adrian, what'd you get done on this Soarer?
Nothing. Don't look at that.
Don't look at that.
It doesn't have interior anymore.
Oh. We ain't got no interior.
I already threw away the piece we cut out too, so.
Did you? Alright, there's the manual trans. Pulled all the interior out. Adrian today got the new manual.
Transmission tunnel hump.
Is that what you call that thing?
That's what I'm calling it.
Alright, transmission tunnel hump for the manual put in.
We had to cut out the automatic one to put the manual one in.
Yep.
So we had to do some metal surgery.
Yep, just a little bit. And then we sent the flywheel to get resurfaced because it came out of my Supra.
Yeah, got the auto trans and everything pulled out of this.
Yep. But we should have the Soarer rolling shortly.
Yeah, got some wiring to do to make it realize that it's a manual now instead of an automatic.
Right.
Got to put a clutch pedal in.
Yep.
Yeah, I gotta keep dreaming, gotta keep going. Yeah, I gotta keep pushing, gotta keep breathing. Yeah, I gotta keep working. Yeah, at least for the moment, it's out with a million.
Uh-oh, we got a drive shaft connected. Transmission's in.
Clutch is in.
Clutch is in.
Oh, maybe not.
Huh?
That'd be funny.
Right.
Oh, landed.
Full landing.
Landing and adjusting.
Yeah.
Don't put the clutch.
Don't. You don't even need a clutch where you're going.
No.
Just a little bit of wiring left.
Yeah, and some interior nonsense.
Interior nonsense. Almost got a manual swapped. So
Technically, it is manual swap.
oh yeah,
It's
technically
bolted in under its own way.
right. And we got some new wheels on it too, off the Toyota Aristo. Alright guys, make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next episode on the Toyota auto to manual swap. Peace.
Yeah, I gotta keep dreaming, gotta keep going. Yeah, I gotta keep pushing, gotta keep breathing. Yeah, I gotta keep working. Yeah, at least for the moment.